Mass Health Medicaid. How much is it per month? About $15,000 per month. Average stay in the nursing home, about 3 years, okay? So my dad ended up in a nursing home. Medicare, fortunately, covered him for a period of time before they shut the faucet off. He did not protect the family home in that situation, and he regretted it terribly. So clients of ours, client that came in today said, Patrick, I don't want to be in that situation. She's going to create her irrevocable Medicaid asset protection trust. And that's step 1 of the process. What's step 2 of the process, folks? Legally transfer the house. So we're going to use Kathy again as the example. This is Kathy's house. She has a lot of equity in here. The water's the equity, right? We're going to transfer that into the house. And we're going to close the door on the treasure chest or record the deed at the local registry of deeds. That triggers the 5-year clock to begin to run on the Medicaid trust, okay? And so as the clock begins to run, you have to stay healthy. So I give Kathy good legal advice. Eat your fruits and vegetables, take the dog for a walk, stay healthy for the next 5 years. Kind of like what my mom did after my dad passed. My mom recently beat the 5-year look-back period. So we get out here into the future, we do the future walk. 3 years out here into the future, are we protected at this point in time? No. The old look-back period was 3 years, okay? You have to stay healthy for 5 years, not disabled, not filing a Medicaid application. Now we get out here, so we create Kathy's trust in, say, September 2017. We get the house in there in October 2017. Now we're out here into the future. October 2022, okay? The shoe drops. Kathy's boyfriend calls on a Monday morning. It's always a Monday morning. And she says, the boyfriend says, Patrick, Kathy's okay, but she's alive and not so well. She became disabled on Friday, completely incapacitated. I'm doing everything I possibly can to take care of her for the longest time possible. He says, but she's always liked to go into that really nice nursing home in Hingham, or the one in Duxbury down by the water. He says, is the house protected? And I open the file and I say, yes, Kathy took action in September, October 2017. She listened to my astute legal advice. She ate her fruits and vegetables. She stayed healthy for 5 years and a day. So Kathy just legally beat the 5-year look-back period for Mass Health Medicaid planning. So now we can look at filling out a Mass Health Medicaid application for Kathy. And there's a question on that 45-page application. It'll ask, have you transferred any assets in the past 5 years? And now you have to answer the question truthfully, and you can say, no, we have not transferred any assets in the past 5 years. It's been greater than 5 years, greater than 5 years. So in that situation, we can proceed with the Mass Health Medicaid application and look to, our goal is to get Kathy approved for Mass Health Medicaid. So Medicaid will pay for the $15,000 per month nursing home, and the asset that Kathy transferred into her trust a little over 5 years ago is in there protected for her family, for her loved ones, okay? So that's how Mass Health Medicaid planning works for folks looking to protect their family home from Mass Health Medicaid.